Hey, I'm Marc Stevens, author of Government Indicted. The website, of course, markstevens.net. The radio show, The No State Project, live every Saturday from 4 to 7 Eastern Standard Time on LRN.FM. That's 3 hours of anarchy radio, and I love these kind of videos that I get to do. You'll see I'll get it up there. It's a dismissal of a traffic ticket in New York, of all places. This happened actually, and I think in Brooklyn over there. And I want to thank Daniel for sending this and allowing me to post it. Took a while, but you can see there important. And I did some Photoshop here. I put two documents together to kind of save time. So this bottom portion that you're seeing is not on this original document that we just got. This order that where it's dismissing. It says the ticket shown below has been dismissed. No further action is required from you on this charge. Please keep this notice for your records. And it gives you the date and the charge. But what's down here below is taken from the website, and you can see it's got the same identification number. 5 points on the license, so it would have cost him a small fortune in increased insurance rates. So I want to get to the email that he sent, where he says, and he gave me permission, so I can include that. Mark, you have my permission to post this on your site. If you wish, as proof, just take out the necessary info to protect the innocent. Thanks again. So the email goes like this. He says, thank you, Mark. This one for me is a biggie because I'm in New York, and this would have been a few points, actually 5 points, against me and my insurance going up. I received this last year and sent your motion to dismiss. And that motion to dismiss is, of course, based on lack of evidence, proving jurisdiction, that there's no evidence that just because you're physically in New York, their Constitution and Code apply to you, so they can't show jurisdiction. There's also no evidence to support a charge that there's any kind of valid cause of action, case, or controversy with the court, so that they do not acquire subject matter jurisdiction. So, I mean, obviously they can't show the illegal injury. They can't show a violation of the code and damage because they can't prove the code applies to you in the first place. It says, I received this last year and sent you a motion to dismiss. I actually was able to upload the motion through the DMV website. I was scheduled for a hearing next week. Well, a year later, he's saying, which would have been this month, and was preparing to meet the pretend judge. I started gathering info on my own and from your website on how to present myself, and then yesterday I received the attached. I knew that eventually I'd be sending you this email thanking you for the insight. And then he says, people, everything is not what you think. Question everything and believe nothing but in yourself. Mark, you are doing a great service to the people, and I truly thank you from the bottom of my heart. People, do not roll over and accept this crap, even if sometimes you might lose. Show them you're not going to go down without a fight. And what he means is, the facts. So again, he thanks, and I appreciate that, and thank you for allowing me to post that. So thrown out without a hearing. But you always still, like he was doing, you still always prepare for a fight. You always go and do the role-playing on the No State Project Skype chat, which you can get with me at Frank Rizzo 3, and we'll put you in there. And that's great. Again, the issues raised were a lack of evidence proving jurisdiction, just like every other one of the motions. This may not say explicitly that the motion to dismiss was granted, but it was a motion to dismiss, and they dismissed it without a trial. So I think the evidence is pretty clear they granted the motion to dismiss. It's just not spelled out exactly, as you say. But still, there isn't any evidence proving that their rules called laws actually apply to us just because we're physically in New York. If they had the evidence, they would have presented it, and they would have hammered them at the trial. But they didn't. They dismissed it. But if you disagree, if you think that there really is evidence, if you want to do what these people in New York could not do, or just felt it was too difficult or too much trouble to do, you're more than happy. You're more than welcome. And I'm happy to have you on a live broadcast of the No State Project. Again, we're live every Saturday from 4 to 7 Eastern Standard Time on LRN.FM, or you can just contact me at markstevens.net. Again, congratulations to Dan, and thanks for allowing me to post this.